back to my channel. So today's video is all about my marks and new books. So there are two segments. First, let me introduce you my father. Hello Papa. Once again.
Hi friends.
In another video. So this video has two segments. One, my report card, and then two, my new books. So let's go with segment one. So Papa.
So here is your mark sheet.
Okay. So this is the mark sheet I get from my school. So let me tell you all one by one. So in the periodic assessment one.
Oh, this one is your final assessment.
Final assessment, periodic assessment. We're gonna tell you from the starting exams. So in English, half yearly exams I got 79 in English out of 80. Then in Hindi I've got 79 also. Mathematics is a bit too bad this year because I had made silly mistakes. So the mathematics 63 out of 80, very disappointing for me. Science 79 out of 80. Social science 77 out of 80. Computers 77 out of 80. And the grade for wow. So clumsy.
And also share that your periodic assessment 1 means half yearly exams.
Yes, periodic assessment 1 means half yearly exams and 2 means annual examination, the final exams. And in GK I got
That's a final grade. That's a final grade.
Final grade?
Yeah.
Okay. And then in annuals, in English I got 79, in Hindi I got...
So which is same basically.
Huh.
So
So
maintain
guys,
consistency.
I maintained consistency except for maths, I improved a lot. Okay. So English, Papa.
English, so you got 79 out of 80, which is same to what you scored in half yearly. Yeah. So
Hindi 79.
again,
Mathematics, good improvement to me, 74 out of 80.
which was like 69 previously and now 74. Yeah. So it's an improvement.
Yes.
Okay.
Science is 79, social science is 77, computer is 77. So it's consistency of marks. Just the difference subject is in maths. Marks were different but good improvement. My final, what is this, Papa?
Final percentage.
Final percentage is 97%. Okay. Then in inter-house
So which is really good.
yes. So review.
Well, definitely. So Shreya worked very hard. Shreya worked very hard, in fact, and that is clearly reflected in her final mark sheet, the marks that she got. The good part is like she did not deteriorate. So half yearly, whatever she scored, in fact, she did an improvement. So we all are very happy about it, and we are proud of you, Beta.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you. So now in my in-house clubs, that means the clubs that happen on Monday, sports. We both father-daughter are clumsy. Skating A in half yearly term 1 and then in term 2 also A. Kavach A. So I've excelled all A's in my clubs.
And explain, friends, what is Kavach. So Kavach is
Okay.
a
So
karate
Kavach
classes.
is not karate classes. It is an academy that teaches self-defense to girls and boys both. It is for your safety, and our school had that club, so I selected it because my friend was going in that club. And then in half yearly I had
That's it. It's a mark sheet.
final total percentage.
It's the final total is this 97.
Total.
So it's okay. School mark sheet is done. You can show that.
Yes. So guys, this is the final percentage.
It's okay.
And then my father will read this. So this is remarks. Read it.
I don't expect you to.
Core areas of excellence. Freya is an excellent girl. Her brilliance, diligence and determination as well as perseverance will surely lead her to great success. Core areas of focus, emphasis, improvement. Freya is a bright student who demonstrates a good understanding of concepts. She participates well in class activities and shows enthusiasm for learning. With continued focus, she will achieve excellent results. So this is the remark left by my teachers. So, Papa, how's your review?
So I already shared my review.
Once again, share it.
Let's continue with
Okay.
the books.
Now, segment 2. I will show you. Wait one moment. I'm gonna keep this aside. Is it fine here? Okay. So let's continue with my books. First, let me show you. These are the leftover notebooks of mine. There are 5 leftover notebooks. I've already, because of excitement and I was bored so much in the afternoon, that I already sticked the name slips, the covers, everything I've done without him. So this is my music notebook. It is like this. I'm gonna give each one to my father.
Show the books.
Wait, computer, so many. Wait, let me show them all at once. So these are the notebooks all at once. So many notebooks. And one more thing. Should I show the books? First, I'll show the book. One more subject is added. So first, cursive and Hindi cursive and English cursive for 5th. My art file, same. My Mindspark book, same. My maths book. My Hindi books. This is Vyakran and this is Upavan. Basically, Upavan is the story book and Vyakran is the grammar book. Grammar, stories, course book. Then this is my SST notebook. My science book. Everything is same this year. Now one more subject is added that I will guess be easy because my seniors told me. This is the Nav Ruchira.
Sanskrit.
Rub, Nav. Then my computer book, BrainBot. My Train Your Brain GK book. My life skills book. And then my art file, the art book. It is fun to do. I don't know even if I complete it. So guys, this was my book collection. I'm moving to grade 5th now. So I hope it's a great year. I had lots of fun in 4th thanks to my friends and my class teacher for support. So let's end this video here. So bye guys. Thank you so much for your love. Comment back down. Bye.
Bye.